If you're in the process of starting your own business, then you know that forming an LLC is one of the first crucial steps. But with so many services out there, how do you know which one is right for you? Today, we're going to help you out by comparing two popular LLC formation services, Taylor Brands and Swift Filings. Both of these companies offer unique features and pricing, but depending on your specific needs, one might be a better fit for you than the other. We'll go over the key differences, the pros and cons of each, and by the end, you should have a much clearer idea of which of these services aligns better with your business goals. So let's go ahead and dive in. Overview of Taylor Brands and Swift Filings. Taylor Brands is known for its comprehensive approach to LLC formation and branding. This platform isn't just about getting your legal documents in order. It's designed to help you create a strong online presence as well. From logos to websites, Taylor Brands provides a wide range of tools that can help your business look professional right from day one. On the other hand, Swift Filings focuses on speed and simplicity. They're all about getting your LLC set up as quickly and efficiently as possible. Swift Filings has built a reputation for being straightforward and user-friendly, which makes it a great option if you want to get your business up and running without any unnecessary complications. So if you're leaning towards building a brand along with your LLC, then Taylor Brands might catch your eye. But if you're looking for a service that's all about getting the job done fast and efficiently, then Swift is going to be a better option for you. Pricing comparison. Taylor Brands offers 3 tiers of services, catering to different business needs and budgets. The Lite plan is completely free, covering the basic LLC formation. While it gets your LLC up and running, it doesn't include ongoing state compliance services or any branding tools, making it a solid choice if you're looking to simply form your LLC with minimal upfront cost. Next up is the Essential plan, which usually costs $199, but is available for $130 with our special offer. This plan not only forms your LLC, but also ensures that your business remains compliant with state requirements. It includes expedited processing so that your LLC is set up within 2 business days, along with lifetime compliance alerts, a comprehensive name check, and an operating agreement. This plan is ideal for those who need a bit more than the basics, but aren't ready to dive into full-scale branding just yet. And finally, the most popular option is the Elite plan, normally priced at $249, but available for $162 when you use the link in the description. The Elite plan offers the best value for money, combining both legal and branding essentials. Along with everything in the Essential plan, you get a complete branding toolkit. This includes a logo maker, a DIY website builder, digital business cards, and social media post templates, plus a free domain name for 1 year. If you're an entrepreneur looking to build your brand and establish an online presence right away, the Elite plan provides everything that you need to hit the ground running. And remember, by using the link down in the description, you'll get access to an exclusive 35% discount on all of these plans. So to get started with Taylor Brands, just click the link down below in the description and choose your LLC state. I'm located in California, so I'm gonna go ahead and select California and click on claim discount. Next, it's gonna ask you to register your business name. So go ahead and select that and check availability. Looks like my new business is available, so go ahead and click next. So basically, it's just gonna ask you tons of questions here, and you can skip some of these, you can answer them all, but essentially it just wants to give you the most tailored experience possible. Next, it's gonna ask what stage your business is currently in. Now, I'm gonna go ahead and skip most of these, but I just want you to be able to see them so you kind of know what to expect if you're deciding to go with Taylor Brands. Next, it's gonna ask, when are you planning to launch your new business? Then it's gonna ask you, just tell you a little bit about your new business, what industry you're in, and what do you offer, whether that's physical goods or professional services. And it's gonna ask if you're planning to hire employees in the upcoming year. Then it'll ask where your new business will operate from, whether that's online, brick and mortar, or on the go. Next, it's gonna ask what else you're planning to do for your business, and they will be able to help you out with some of these services. They will come at an additional cost, but it is kind of nice to keep everything all in one place. Next, it's gonna give you a checklist here for what you've already done for your business. And then it's gonna ask if you wanna join their coaching program, and it's just gonna ask for some additional services here. Next, it's gonna ask if you want help getting your EIN to open a business bank account or hire employees. And they'll help you do this for $99, or you can go ahead and do it yourself. Next, it's gonna ask if you want to appoint a registered agent, or you can do that yourself. And then it's gonna ask if you want to keep your LLC compliant, and this is $199, and it renews annually, or you can go ahead and choose to do it yourself. Then it's gonna ask if you want to get their branding toolkit. We'll go ahead and say no for now. And then it's gonna ask if you want to expedite your LLC. So you can get it in 2 days for $49, or you could save $49 and just wait the 14 days. Next, it's gonna ask if you want to get an operating agreement, which only costs $29. So that's not a bad idea, and that is something that I would recommend. And then it's gonna ask if you want this professional looking formation kit for $99. And then it's gonna ask if you want to add a finance manager, or if you want to manage your books on your own. And then that brings us here to where we can go ahead and choose whatever plan works best for us. discuss, whether that's the light plan, the essential plan, or the elite plan. So it's a little bit more of an involved setup process, but they really do their best to tailor the experience to you and your business's needs. And if you want to get started with Tailor Brands, click the link down below in the description. Now, Swift Filings offers a range of packages, starting with their basic LLC formation package at $0 plus state fees. And this makes them one of the more affordable options for getting started. The basic package includes a comprehensive name check, preparation of the articles of incorporation, and document filing with the Secretary of State, all with a 10-day filing period. However, it's important to note that this entry-level package only covers the essentials to form your LLC, and it doesn't include any additional compliance or legal documents. For those needing more than just the basics, Swift Filing also offers a standard package at $199 plus state fees. This package speeds up the filing process to 5 days and includes crucial legal documents like custom corporate bylaws, a banking resolution, and organizational minutes, essential for setting up your business bank account and ensuring that you're compliant from the start. At the top tier is the premium package, priced at $299 plus state fees. This package offers the fastest processing speed, same-day LLC filing, and expedited FedEx shipping. It also includes access to over 250 customizable legal and business documents, a personalized founder kit, and Compliance Guard, which covers your annual report, amendments, and meeting minutes. Additionally, the premium package offers a free statement of the incorporator, making it easier to open a business bank account, along with 24/7 online access to your dashboard for easy management of your documents. However, there is a catch. Swift Filings does not include a registered agent service in any of the packages. If you need this service, it's going to cost you an additional $149 per quarter, which can add up quickly. So while their upfront cost might seem a little bit lower, the total cost can increase significantly if you require these additional services. Ultimately, if you're looking to get your LLC formed without any frills and you're mindful of your budget, then Swift Filings is a solid option. But if you want a full package that not only covers legal essentials, but also helps you build a brand for your business, then Tailor Brands might be worth the extra investment. Features breakdown. Tailor Brands is a versatile platform that goes beyond just forming your LLC. For those looking to balance legal compliance with strong branding, Tailor Brands offers a well-rounded solution. Swift Filings, on the other hand, takes a more straightforward approach, focusing on getting your LLC set up quickly and with minimal hassle. If you're focused solely on the legal aspects of forming your LLC and need a quick, efficient service, Swift Filings could be the right choice for you. However, if establishing a strong brand presence is equally important, Tailor Brand provides a more comprehensive package that might better suit your needs. Customer support. Tailor Brands offers multiple ways to get in touch with their support team. You can reach them via email, phone, or through their help center by clicking the help button on their website. However, they do not offer live chat support. While their team is responsive, the lack of real-time chat may be a drawback for those who need immediate assistance via live chat. On the other hand, Swift Filings provides more comprehensive customer support options, including phone support, email support, and live chat during business hours. If having immediate access to a representative via chat is important to you, Swift Filings might be the better choice, especially if you anticipate needing guidance throughout the LLC formation process. Tailor Brands pros. Comprehensive branding tools. Tailor Brands offers an all-in-one platform that includes an AI-powered logo maker, website builder, digital business cards, and social media content creation tools, making it ideal for entrepreneurs looking to establish a professional brand identity quickly. Free domain and branding assets. The Elite plan includes a free domain for 1 year and multiple logos, which can be invaluable for building an online presence and creating consistent branding across platforms. Balanced legal and branding services. Tailor Brands not only handles the essentials of LLC formation, but also offers a free year of registered agent service, ensuring that both your legal and branding needs are met in one package. Tailor Brands cons. Higher upfront costs. The Elite plan, while feature-rich, is more expensive upfront compared to basic LLC formation services, which may not be ideal for those on a tight budget. Complex platform. With the wide range of tools available, there may be a learning curve for users who are new to branding and online tools, making the platform potentially overwhelming for beginners. Limited focus on compliance. While Tailor Brands offers essential legal services, their primary focus is on branding, which might not fully meet the needs of entrepreneurs who require more robust compliance or legal document support. Swift Filings pros. Affordable entry-level package. Swift Filings offers a basic package at $0 plus state fees, making it one of the most budget-friendly options for those who just need to get their LLC formed without any extras. Fast processing times. Swift Filings is known for its expedited services with their premium package, offering same-day LLC filing, which is ideal for entrepreneurs in a hurry to get their businesses off the ground. ground. Lifetime customer support. Swift Filings provides lifetime customer support via phone and email, ensuring that you have access to help whenever you need it, even after your LLC is formed. Swift Filings cons. No registered agent service included. Unlike some competitors, Swift Filings does not include a registered agent service in any of its packages. Adding this service costs an additional $149 per quarter, which can quickly increase the overall costs. Limited branding tools. Swift Filings focuses primarily on the legal aspects of LLC formation and does not offer any branding or marketing tools, making it less suitable for entrepreneurs looking to build a brand alongside forming their LLC. Additional costs for comprehensive services. While the initial packages are affordable, the costs can add up if you need additional services such as faster processing, legal document customization, or ongoing compliance support. How do you decide between these two services? If your goal is to build a brand and establish a strong online presence, Tailor Brands offers robust packages that include all of the essential branding tools in one place. Tailor Brands is ideal for those who want to merge both their legal and branding needs seamlessly from a single platform. On the other hand, go with Swift Filings if you're seeking a straightforward, efficient service that focuses on the core essentials of LLC formation. Swift Filings is perfect for entrepreneurs who don't need extra branding tools and are primarily concerned with getting their LLC set up quickly and affordably. Swift Filings is a solid choice for those who want a reliable, no-frills service that ensures their business is legally compliant without unnecessary bells and whistles. So both Tailor Brands and Swift Filings have their strengths, and your choice will ultimately depend on what's most important to you and your business. And if you want to get started with either of these services today, then you'll find links down in the description. These are affiliate links, which means that we earn a small commission when you use them at no extra cost to you. And these links help support the channel and allow us to continue creating free content just like this. So if you end up using them, we thank you so much in advance. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a like and subscribe for more videos just like this. Here on this channel, we make videos dedicated to helping new and existing entrepreneurs get started and succeed in business. So be sure to subscribe. But other than that, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.